We've become very good at living clean. Clean shoes, clean homes, clean consciences. But I don't think people are supposed to stay spotless. Once in a while, a person needs a bit of dirt and a bit of mud under their nails and in their actions. Dust on the trails and dusting off our sense of self. A little wilder than you were last week. I forgot how much fun that guy can be. We were built for good company and good times. Build it and they will come. Make the memories, drink the damn beer. Bumps and bruises, it'll buff out. Maybe. Late starts, false starts. The sanity is in the crazy. The families and the friends, the orders and the chaos. Life's not in the little clean box you put yourself in. It's out here waiting. So what are you going to do about it? I think we both know the answer to that, now don't we?